So, in this video, I am going to make a cold outreach system for my agency offering appointment booking system at a paper result cost. Before that, many of you are asking me why I am offering paper result service. Basically, the first and very important reason is we can close the prospect through chat. Like if we are offering the prospect that let's do a collaboration and you only pay us when you get a qualified appointment, they can easily pay us. Like we don't have to go on a call and waste our hours of time. On the second hand, if you are offering a, let's say, $2,000 product, a referral product, like you they have to pay you $2,000 every month to close one sign, like one client, you have to send hundreds of mail. After that, you get 30 to 40 reply rate. After that, you have to go on a call, like you have to book a call with them, and after that they become your client. This is a very long process and the churn rate is very high. So I will suggest, if you are starting or if you are an expert as well, go with paper result basis. And if you want to go with a monthly basis, then show them that we are, like, let's say, editing company, that you charge $100 per video. Show them, like, tell them, if you are buying a monthly package, we give you a 15% discount. If I am offering one appointment at $100, I will set, like, told them, if you go with the monthly package, I will give you a 15% discount. That's the whole process. But paper result is best. You earn more money, you get less headache, and you get more freedom. So, without wasting more time, let's get started. As you can see, I am in my site. This is ManyReach software and we purchase a lifetime deal. If you want this software, we can provide you this software at a very low price. Now, here, let's get started. Cold email for appointment booking. We have to write our subject first. But before that, I want to drink a water. So I am pausing the recording. So I am back. Oh, fuck. So I made a draft. I think if I am not recording, my brain works well. So I made a draft first. Now I am going to refine it. In the subject, I am going to write first name. What if we 3x your agency revenue? Or what the fuck happens? What if we can able to, like, what if we 3x your, what if we 3x, we can write here company name. Yep. Sorry. And I will just cut it out. And what if we 3x your company name revenue? Let's say the company name is Bundle Media. Then in the subject line, we will said, Ujjwal, what if we 3x your Bundle Media revenue? That's super personalized and that works well. Most of the people just write hey first name in the subject, and that's too vague, like that's era is gone. So you have to write what value you are providing in the subject. So I am writing, like, let's say first name is Ujjwal. First name, what if we 3x your Bundle Media revenue? That's perfect. Now he is engaged. Like he will say how this man can 3x my Bundle Media revenue. In the body, I will write hey name. We are already helping big companies land 30 to 40 qualified appointments every month. Like here, we will show them that we are a legit person and we are already helping big companies landing 30 to 40 clients every month. There is a call coming. I will set it off. Is my recording still on? Yes. So, in the first line, we set up our base that we are a legit person and we are helping 30 to 40 companies, lots of big companies landing 30 to 40 qualified appointments per month, and we have a testimonial. If they ask for it, I will just send them my Instagram link. After that, what I write, now we are opening this up to just one marketing company. Like basically they are going to think that this is the offer that is only gonna available for me. Someone stupid person calling me and I am recording from my phone. So Here in second line, I write now we are opening this up just for one marketing company. Like we are opening this service just for one marketing company because we only work with one niche. So they think, no, like I am not gonna miss this chance. And I think your company name could be a great fit. Again, hyper personalization. Personalization, I don't know how to speak it. And after that, I write the pain point of those companies, what they are going to think. Like after reading these three lines, they are going to think this is the high retainer basis company, like they have to invest too much on it, or I am a scammer or something. So I write here, and don't worry, most companies I speak with are tired of paying monthly retainers for leads and that rarely delivers. Like I hop on a lots of sales call, and the pain point of those people are that they are already get scammed with the lead gen company. So I write here, and don't worry, we are not going to charge the retainers and for a like generic leads, and we are not a generic lead gen company. So they thought, yeah, we are a legit person, we are a big company, and we are not going to charge a lots of retainer. After that, I have to still refine it. I write we are the best in the space and only work on paper result. Meaning, if we don't deliver, you don't pay us. Simple as that. Now they think like if you work on a paper result basis, people think you have a best system to book appointments or a best system. You are best in the niche. That's why you are working in a paper result basis. And I know that I have a best system for the other companies. So I write here, we are the best in the space and only work on paper result. If we don't deliver, you don't pay. Simple as that. And after that, in the last, what is it? Space paper work only work on paper result. Or yes, if we don't deliver, you don't pay. Simple as that. Would it make sense to test it for bundle media? Like after that, I send. Let's just test it. Don't close. Like don't become our client. Let's just test our service. Would it make sense to test this for your company? So now let's paste the name here. Ujjwal, what if we 3x your bundle media revenue? Hey Ujjwal, we are already helping big companies landing 30 to 40 qualified appointments every month. Now we are opening this up just for one marketing company. Just one opening this up to just for one marketing company. And I think bundle media could be a great fit. And don't worry, most companies I speak with are tired of paying monthly retainer. And don't worry, most companies I speak with are tired of paying monthly retainers or for lead gen that really delivers. We are the best in the space and only work on paper result. If we don't deliver, you don't pay us. You don't pay us. Simple as that. Simple as that. Would it make sense to test this for your company? Now, I will refine it pretty much more. I think if you go for capital letters, it doesn't work that well. But if I get the small letters, it works best. Like it's my thought. You can do what you can do, but I think that's best. And yeah. That's our subject and that's our body. This is the cold email that I am going to use. And in 1 week, I am going to update you how many clients I am going to sign. Basically, I am going to sign only 2 to 3 clients for this company, because after that, I am going to book appointments for them, because that is the service that I am going to provide. And from that service, I am going to get the revenue. That's also a best part. Like if you work on a paper result basis, you focus on the service delivery, and that's the best thing. But if you work on a retainer, you get a money, then you like forgot to focus on the service and you want to sign up more and more and more clients. Now that's the thing. I am going to add the 3 follow-up messages for this, because follow-up is very important. Now I am pausing the recording, writing my follow-up draft. After that, I will tell you what follow up I use. Now I made all the follow up messages. You can see this, I will send the follow up message after Monday. The mail send follow up 1, follow up 2, follow up 3.